billionaire Elon Musk has warned that children and people struggling with mental health should stay away from the AI chatbot ChatGPT. His comments come after reports link the chatbot to conversations with a suspect in a deadly school shooting in Canada. Musk made the remark in a post on X, where he said ChatGPT should be kept away from kids and the mentally unwell. The controversy began after reports suggested that the suspect in the shooting in the Canadian town of Tumbler Ridge had interacted with ChatGPT several times in the days before the attack. According to reports, some of these conversations involved violent scenarios and were flagged by OpenAI's monitoring systems. However, the company reportedly decided that the activity did not meet the threshold to alert law enforcement. The incident has now reached the courts. The mother of a student injured in the shooting has filed a lawsuit against OpenAI in the Supreme Court of British Columbia, alleging the chatbot helped the suspect plan the attack. The debate has also triggered a public exchange between Musk and OpenAI CEO Sam Altman. Musk criticized the company's AI safety measures, while Altman responded by raising concerns about Tesla's autopilot technology and Musk's AI chatbot, Grok. OpenAI has described the shooting as an unspeakable tragedy and said it is working with experts and authorities to strengthen safeguards against harmful AI interactions.